Hi everyone, today I'm going to demonstrate the CloudStaff Taskit mobile application and how you and your staff can use it to send videos, photos and audio recordings from your mobile phone to your CloudStaffer and have the confidence that the information has been sent, seen and acknowledged by your CloudStaffer. CloudStaffer Taskit is available for both Android and iPhone users. I'm going to start off by installing it. So I'm going to go to the Google Play Store and I'm going to search on CloudStaff. And in the apps, if I scroll down, here we'll see CloudStaff Taskit. And let's install it. Once it's installed, we just click Open. The very first time you start CloudStaff Taskit, it'll ask you to register your email address. This is simply your business email address that you use. Enter it, click Register, and then in your mailbox you'll receive a 4-digit PIN code which is used to verify your registration. It'll verify it, and now the application is ready for use. Here you will see the folders section, and we create folders and we link those folders to our CloudStaffers. So I'm going to create a new folder here. First folder, let's call it Maintenance Issues. I can choose the location and it'll ask me to get the location from my mobile phone. And I can type in the email address of my CloudStaffer. I'll create a second folder here. And let's say that I've got a business trip coming to Hong Kong and I've got some expenses and I'll put those expenses in this folder. I don't need a location, and this time I'm going to link it to Anne, my assistant. Okay, there you see the two folders created. We can now go into, let's say, maintenance issues, and I can now add content to this folder. I use the plus button in the bottom right hand corner, and let's go through and we can either add an audio, record a video, take a photo, or select media from the existing gallery. I'm going to take a photo in this case. It'll ask permission again. After I've taken the photo, I can then add some notes. So we're in a meeting room here and we need to replace this plug. So please replace the plug in meeting room 1. Once I've typed some notes, I have 3 options. I can wait and send the media later, I can send it now, or I can record another image. So in this case, I'm going to go through and choose Next. I'm going to take another photo. And the notes for this one is going to be, please buy some more coasters for meeting room 1. And I'll also send this one later. Now, back in the folder, you'll notice the 2 images are here. The indicator on the left-hand side is a blank circle at the moment, and you'll see when we upload that content, we will receive notification when our CloudStaffer has seen the file and also acknowledged. Back here, I might add to the expenses folder. Let's also add a photo and of a boarding pass. And no notes needed in this case, and I can just go through and send later. Okay. So there's the content, and in a moment I'll show you how we upload this to our CloudStaffer. Okay, in the first video we saw how we could create content with CloudStaff Taskit, and now we're going to look at how we send it to our CloudStaffer. So we're now back in the office, we're connected to Wi-Fi, and I'm going to start the Taskit application. Before, you'll notice we created two folders, and inside the folders there you'll see the content, and you'll notice the status indicator on the left is showing a blank circle. That means that the content hasn't been uploaded to our CloudStarfer yet. Now, if you wanted to make some changes, you can simply just go through and edit the message, edit the notes. If you decided you didn't want to upload the content to your CloudStarfer, simply swipe to the left and use the delete option. But when we're ready, if we go up to the sync icon on the top right hand corner and press that, it will tell us that there are 3 recordings to be uploaded, and I can now click OK, and those files will now be uploaded to the server, and an email will be sent to my CloudStarfer letting them know that the content is ready for their review. Down the bottom right hand corner, while the files are being uploaded, you can press the view button, and this will show you the status of the content as it is being uploaded to the server. Okay, the content has now been uploaded. And if I go into the folder, you'll notice that the status indicator for the image has now changed to indicate that the file has been sent to the CloudStarfer. Your CloudStarfer will now receive some emails, and the emails will show them that the content has been uploaded. And once your CloudStarfer goes to the Taskit website, you'll notice as your CloudStarfer accesses the content on the Taskit website, the indicator has now changed from sent to seen. And also Photo 1 and Photo 2 have now both been seen by your CloudStarfer. Now, if there was some action which was required for each of these tasks, your CloudStarfer can then acknowledge that. And you'll notice the CloudStarfer has now gone through and acknowledged photo number 1. And if we open that, we can see that they've created a ticket to have a technician to replace the cable. And now your CloudStarfer has also acknowledged photo number 2. And again, you can open up and you can see their comments that they put in the bottom of the photo. The reason that we do this, it's to guarantee that the photo that you've taken and recorded on your phone has been sent to your CloudStarfer, and that you can now delete the content and know that the images and the photos and the videos are all safely stored on a server that can be accessed by your CloudStarfer at any point. So that's a quick view of the CloudStarfer application. We're going to come back in the next video and show you some more advanced features of CloudStarfer Taskit. Okay, in the previous videos we've shown you how you can create content and have it uploaded to your CloudStarfer. Now we're going to have a look at how your CloudStarfer can customize the application on your phone by using the Taskit website. Your CloudStarfer simply goes through in the admin section and creates a new user. They enter the email address that was used on your phone to register it. Now you can start to customize the application on your phone. So instead of having a folder name, you may want to call it Projects. You can have the email addresses set automatically. When you create new content and you are asked to enter the name, you can automatically prefix a menu to that. So we might have basement. So your Cloud Staffer now click Save across on your mobile phone when you start the Taskit application. You'll notice it is indicating that these are now projects and not folders. If I create a new project, it'll ask me for the project name, and I might want to create one called Warranty Claims. When I choose the email address, it will prompt me for the emails that was set in the web interface before. And when I go into the folder and I now create content, you'll notice we can take a photo and it asks me for the prefix. And it's automatically added to the content. We can send that later. So that's an example of how CloudStaff Taskit can be customized by your Cloud Staffer, and the changes that they make on the Taskit website are automatically fed directly through to your application on your mobile phone. CloudStaff can also offer additional customizations for the Taskit application. This includes your own branded version of Taskit with your logo and your own entry in Apple's App Store or Google Play. The notes page where content is added can be customized to include questions which are specific to your company. We can also provide your own server located in the US, Australia or the UK where uploaded content is stored. And we're also open to any sort of other ideas that you may have. Please feel free to contact your CloudStaff Business Development Manager or email hello@cloudstaff.com.